Hello guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode I have a RAV4. We're gonna do some service on it. 2020 RAV4. It needs the 40,000 mile service. I'm gonna do oil change, cabin filter, air filter, probably tire rotation. I need to check the tires. Fog light on that side is out, and the key fob. This one is not working, so let's change the battery first. I have the battery here. It's 2032. Some people don't know about this key, but to avoid scratching the key, you can get the key. It has a little cutout in the end. Put it right here. There is a little slot in the middle. Put it, twist it, and you open the key. Like that, you're not gonna damage your key or scratch it. It has a little cutout in here. Pull it out. New battery. Let's see if the key fob works now. Okay, let's see. Okay, now it's working, so it with the battery. Now I'm gonna put the vehicle inside. We're gonna start with the oil change. What I like to do every time that I get a vehicle, first reset the maintenance light. Like I said, this 46,000 miles, so it's kind of overdue. Let's reset it. First, to reset it, you go to settings, go down with arrows, vehicle settings, press OK and hold it. Go to schedule maintenance, press OK right here, go yes, and it's reset. Fog light on the driver's side is working, and it's out on the passenger side. Once we put the jack and jack up the vehicle, we're gonna be able to get access in there, which you don't have to do it, but we're gonna have more access to replace that bulb, and probably we're gonna go with LEDs. I blocked the rear tires, jack stands on the bottom. It's really easy on these vehicles. They have a little cover, 10mm, 4 bolts. Remove the cover so we can remove the drain plug and the oil filter. Really simple on these vehicles. Drain plug is right there, 17, and oil filter is right there. If I say 17, it's 14. 14mm. While it's draining, I have the drain plug. Let's remove the washer, and we have here the new washer. Looks like in whatever dealership this RAV4 was, they never changed the drain plug. We have the new one in here. Ready? Now let's remove the filter. For the filter, I have this little tool. Let's remove it with this one. It's so much easier on these Toyotas. New filter is here. 4.8 quarts of 0.16. Everything is in place. When you wanna tighten this one, it really doesn't need much. Like that is fine. Don't get it too tight. And the filter also, just get it tight by hand. Now everything is done in here. It's clean. So now let's put the cover. When you're gonna put the cover, just make sure this little lip right here, put it inside, make sure it doesn't stay out, and then put your screws, and that's it. Don't get them over tight as well. Just make sure it's closed but not too tight. Once you finish down there, just before you put oil and start the vehicle, make sure that the oil filter, it has the gasket on it. When I was working in Toyota, I never had that issue where the little gasket gets stuck in the engine, but just make sure that you have this gasket in there. You should be good. Now we just got to put 4.8 quarts of that 0.16 and it's done. Then we're gonna move into the tire rotation and then filters. Now for the tire rotation on the front has about 6 millimeters, rear about 8, so we definitely need to rotate it. This should be really quick, fronts to the rear, rears to the front. You saw me going through this many times on the channel. I have a bolt, little clip, remove the cover and put the new ones. I have these LEDs, H11, we're gonna go LEDs. Customer requires just to replace them for the original ones, but since I have these ones in here, I don't need them, I'm gonna put them on. That's the new LED, and this is the old halogen bulb. Yeah, really good, huh? So gotta do the same on this one. I shouldn't put the tire, but I have enough room. I just need to remove one bolt and one little clip and put the new one on that side. Right here, bolt and clip, bolt, clip, and that's it. Also, check your brakes. Now that it's 46,000, almost 50,000 miles. This one has like a 6 millimeter on the front. I'm gonna check the rear one. Probably has like 8 or 9. Yeah, it has like 7-8 millimeters. So they still good. Probably in like another 20,000 or 15,000. I'm gonna check it once I gotta do the next service. This is not really bad, but we want to replace it. We have the new one anyways. But I should go with another 10,000. This one, yes, definitely. But I think they replaced the other one, the air filter, at the dealership. And they tried to make it change it again. But this one definitely needs to be replaced. Got a new one in here. Okay guys, so pretty much we did everything. Oil, filters, tire rotate, inspection, and inspect the brakes. I just need to torque down this lug nut and it should be done. Probably next time I'm gonna do the brakes and another tire rotation. And it's already 46, so she went over 6,000 miles. So probably when she hits 55, I'm gonna have to do the tire rotation. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Guys, I'll leave you with that. We replaced the battery on the key fob and we did the whole service on this 2020 Toyota RAV4. I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.